So you guys want NFTs, but you don't know how to make an account. Okay, I will help you. All you have to do is, let me take you to the computer screen first. Okay, yeah, ultrawide monitor. I have to see all the way to that corner. Okay, flex. Anyways, so you'll go to OpenSea.io and let me log out of this first. Okay, now once you're like this is the sign in page for OpenSea. You can either use a MetaMask wallet, a Coinbase wallet, or Wallet Connect, or Fortmatic, or I don't know about these two, but I know about these two. But I mostly use MetaMask, so I would prefer you do that as well. And yeah, so now what you have to do is to log into OpenSea, you have to understand that your account is backed by the wallet you connected to. So if you use a MetaMask wallet to log into your OpenSea account and you buy NFTs or trade NFTs or whatever with that account, so this account will only be backed to this MetaMask wallet and specifically to that account in your MetaMask wallet. You can have multiple accounts in your MetaMask wallet, so it should be to the same account as well. If you try to use another MetaMask account and try to log into your OpenSea and see that you don't have any of your NFT that you bought, don't get psyched. All you have to do is log into the account which you used to buy NFTs with, and you will have them there. So that is something which some people were having trouble with. Now that you understood how OpenSea's account will work, all you have to do is just go to metamask.io, enter. You'll be going to their website. Be sure that this is the link, and you see this download now button. You'll click on this, okay, and then you will click on install MetaMask for Chrome. What this will do is, MetaMask is basically a Chrome extension that you will see here, okay, on your Chrome. And if you don't see it here, you have to click this and you will find it here, and you can pin it to the quick access bar or whatever it is called. So once you do install to Chrome, it will take you to the Chrome web browser and web store, and it will install MetaMask for you. Once that is done, all you have to do is click on that, sign up with your account. They'll give you a seed phrase. You have to use that seed phrase to log into your account. So make sure you save that. It's basically going to be something like a 13 words uh, group of a 13 word thing. So you have to enter that in order. So save that. Be careful that no one gets access to that, because if someone does, then your account can be compromised and you will lose all the funds that you have on that account if someone gets that. Okay, so keep that seed phrase safe. Write it down in some secure notes or some password holder or something, wherever you want to save it. So once that is done, you will have your MetaMask here. Use that seed phrase, set a password, and log in. You will be having a MetaMask account. It will not look like this. You will have Ethereum mainnet first, so you don't have to worry about that. All you have to do is go to OpenSea and you will see a login page. You'll just have to click on your MetaMask and log in with MetaMask like I showed you before. Okay, so let me log out and show you guys again. Okay, you will see this. You will click on this and it will take you to your MetaMask login and it will log into your account. You'll probably get a pop-up here like this, where you have to sign a smart contract. You will not be paying any fees for that, so don't worry for that. So once you sign the smart contract, you will be signed into your account. This will not look like this. It will say unnamed and you will have your wallet address here. You have to go to your settings again. It will ask for a sign confirmation, change your account name and stuff, and then you will be finally ready to buy or sell or trade NFTs on OpenSea. It's very simple. uh, I would prefer you guys do this on PC. Many people try to do it on their phone. It is not that it's not possible, it's just that it is more convenient and easy to do it on a PC, at least the beginning where you actually set up your account. Since if you try to do it on your Android or iOS device, OpenSea will try to take you to MetaMask's application and it'll ask you to sign in, but there you will not be able to buy or sell. At the end of the day, you'll have to go to Chrome and use Chrome to buy or sell NFTs. At least that is what I learned till now. If there's another way, you guys please let me know in the comments. But yeah, for all the people who are having trouble understanding how to make an OpenSea account to buy or sell NFTs, this is the way. Very simple steps, 3 steps. I guess 3 steps. So first, go to Chrome, search metamask.io, go to this link. I'll put it in the description as well. Do not do this on phone, do this on a PC. It is very easy to do on a PC. You will have less stress. Okay. Go to metamask.io, click on install MetaMask for Chrome. It will install a Chrome extension. If you don't see it here, click on this. You will find it here. You can click on this pin button to get it here. Okay. Once this comes here, you will be taken to a sign up page. They'll give you a seed phrase. Save that seed phrase without anyone getting access to it, and set a password, confirm the password. You will be ready with your account. Then go to OpenSea, click on login and log in using MetaMask. You will be sent to this profile page. Click on settings to edit your name and stuff. It will ask you to sign a smart contract. Does not charge you anything. Sign the smart contract, change your name to whatever name you want to have your account, and start buying and selling NFT, dude. Simple as that. Okay, for the giveaway part, this is a collection that I worked on recently. I made a video talking about this and also about how to enter the giveaway. So if you want to enter this giveaway and get one free NFT from this collection, watch the video. I'm going to be putting it in maybe that top corner where that I button comes, and I'll also be linking it in the description. So check out that video, enter the NFT giveaway and get yourself your first free NFT. So check out my Instagram, it's right here. I hope this video was helpful to you and you were able to make your account. And yeah, enter the giveaway, get yourself a free NFT, and I'll see you in the next video.